Hey guys, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my farm for now because I had this big stable thing, but it kept falling apart because it's just this things, and then there's a big roof, but it just sits there. There's no glue or anything, so my dad is gluing it, and it's hopefully going to get fixed. So for right now, I have a big pen and everything, and I'll So when you start, you will see a pen with a whole bunch of horses and donkeys. There's a hay bale. There's another hay bale. This is a man. He is opening up the gate for these riders going in to the corral, and they're made they have this hallway and making way and then stuff like that. And then they have a little mini cat, a dog. So Charlie, Spark, Lucky, and Dexter. So Jacob. So this light one is Dexter. This dark one is Sadie. And this one is what the heck? Anyways, this is Spark. Oh, Sparkle. So now, over here, you'll see a chicken coop. It's a big turkey right there, or whatever they're called. And I just brought all my Barbie dolls in here because this doll was so tall, and this girl's only that big. JK. She's this big compared, but whatever. She can be one of the farm girls. So I'll just throw her over there for now. So, and I'm also gonna be playing with these and stuff too. So yeah. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour inside of the chicken coop, and then I'm gonna be playing with it. JK, I'm not gonna be playing with it. So you open this top, you'll see a chicken which is tipped over that I was not expecting to see. And then to close that, turn this around, and then when you open it, you'll see a white chicken. And yeah. And then on here on this bottom one, you see some chicks. A chicken in a little nest, and the chicken tipped over. Yeah. It's kind of messy, I know. Because the chickens move around a lot. And that's really cool. So, I have a dog and a rabbit. This is Culture. The dog is Culture, and the bunny is Thumper.